flowers on my head. Oh, shake it, shake it, shake it. Oh, shake it, shake it, shake it. Turn around until you make a stop. Hello children, this is teacher Sharon. Today we are going to look at when do we use article an. Yes, an. We use article an on words that begin with a vowel sound. Alright, we have 5 vowels. Let me take you through the 5 vowels. Okay, these are the 5 vowels. The first vowel is A. Next one is A. The third one is E. The fourth one is O. And the last one is A. These are the 5 vowels. Now, every word that begins with one of these vowels, we use an. For example, I have onion. Onion begins with vowel O. So I'll say an onion. I have another one. Oh, inky. Inky begins with vowel E. So I'll say an inky. I also have this big elephant. Elephant begins with vowel A. I'll say an elephant. And then, the elbow. Everyone touch your elbow? Yes. The elbow begins with vowel A. So I'll say an elbow. I have this bird. It is an, I'm listening, an ostrich. Yes. An ostrich begins with vowel O. So we shall say an ostrich. Let's see if we have this a small insect. What is this, children? Yes, an ant. Yes. It also begins with vowel A. So we shall say an ant. I have this big animal. What is this? Hey, someone is saying a cow. This is not a cow. It looks like a cow, but this is an ox. An ox. So since it begins with vowel O, we shall say an ox. Ta-da! I have this insect. It begins with vowel E, so we shall say an insect. Let's see if we have another one. I have another one. Ta-da! Do you love eating this? I love it too. Okay, it begins with vowel A, so we shall say an avocado. An avocado. Okay, I have another one. By the way, I have very many. I have another word that begins with vowel E. So we shall say an inkpot. An inkpot. Okay, let's see if there is another word. Have you ever seen this on TV? Okay. Yes, this also begins with a vowel. So we shall say an owl. An owl. Okay, thank you very much, children. I want you to be lovely children. Always sanitize and keep home. Don't welcome visitors. Bye-bye. I love you. Mwah.